Kudos to the beginning of an extraordinary chapter in your student journey at Christopher Mews Leicester. The property offers luxury studio apartments bringing in very comfortable beds and desk and chairs and a wardrobe where you can keep your belongings. You will also have access to a lounge with a fully equipped kitchen and free laundry services. So you don't have to worry about staying on top of chores, and you can enjoy a lovely stay during your student adventure in Leicester. Moreover, with a short walk to Montfort University and the University of Leicester, you will also have access to amazing restaurants and cafes like Knight and Carter, and also well-rated pubs like O'Neill's Leicester. To add to all of this, don't let travel expenses cramp your style. Leicester train station is within walking distance from the property, which makes traveling throughout the city very easy for you. Be the best version of yourself and have an amazing student life at Christopher Mews Leicester. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your spot now at amberstudent.com.